Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by picking the image you want to turn into an emoji and preparing a clean export. Open your editor, crop to a square, and remove the background so the subject floats. Once done, scale to roughly 512 pixels on the longest side because WhatsApp stickers perform best at that size. Export as PNG or WebP with transparency and save a master file called Emoji Base. PNG, so you can tweak later without losing the original. Now refine the sticker for real use. Zoom in and clean jagged edges, then add about 8 to 12 pixels padding so nothing gets clipped inside chat bubbles. You may add a thin white or black outline or a soft shadow to preserve contrast on light or dark backgrounds. Make sure the final dimensions remain near 512 times 512. Once satisfied, convert to WebP if needed and compress, so files stay under about 1. Finish by bundling your stickers. Most installer apps require at least 3 images and an icon. Use a sticker pack creator, name the pack, and import your WebP files, then add the pack to WhatsApp. You'll see them in the sticker tab. Use them in a chat to confirm appearance. If something goes wrong, check that files are true WebP or PNG with transparency, stay under size limits, and restart WhatsApp. Often a quick app restart forces the new pack to appear.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.